Okay, students, now we are going to write book back of unit 1. Okay, take open page number 15. Which of these serves as an intermediate storage area between RAM and the processor? The answer is cache memory. Okay, cache acts as a intermediate storage between RAM and the processor. Which of these system is still not perfect? As we all know, speech recognition system is still not perfect. Which of these is not high level language? Machine language, because it is low level language. Which of these is system software? Windows 7, MS Windows, MS-DOT, Unix, all of these are system software. Fill in the blanks. The fastest speed of RAM available today, the fastest speed of dash available today enable computers to work very fast. RAM or AM. Okay. The instruction on how to process the data is given by the user in the form of program, PROG or AM. Okay. Third one. The programs that instruct the computer how to process and control its various parts are stored in the computer's dash memory, which is also called a dash. Computer's primary memory, PRIMORY, primary memory, also called ROM, ROM, read only memory. Okay. Data stored on CD-ROM is read by using dash beam, laser beam, LASER, laser beam. Every symbol in computer is stored as a group of dash binary digit called a dash, 8 binary digit called bytes. If current is flowing in an electronic switch, it represents the binary digit 1. Okay. If current is not flowing, it is 0 only now. Okay. Fine. Barcodes on products can be read by using dash reader, barcode reader, BARCODE, barcode reader. If 3 computers in a room are connected together, they form a dash LAN, local area network. Either you can expand LOCAL, AREA network, NETWORK network. Okay, better expand it. Okay, local area network. Light LAN, one small hyphen you write and write local area network. 9th one. In a dash model, computers communicate via a main computer. Client server, CLIENT, client, one small hyphen you have to write and then write server, SERVER, client server. Okay. The standard method of exchanging data over a network is known as dash protocol, PROTOCOL, protocol. State true or false. ALU can handle only numbers, not letters of the alphabet. Answer is true. The primary memory meets the immediate processing need of a computer. True. The amount of RAM available in today's computer is around 128 KB. False. It is more than that. It is in GBs. Okay. The CD-ROM consists of plastic disc coated with magnetic material. And for false, the system of bytes can be used to represent up to 256 characters in a binary form. True. A high-level language requires a high level of expertise to write the program than a machine language. False. High level language means only low skill is enough. Machine language, which is low level language only, we need high skill. Okay. Multitasking is possible in Windows but not in MS-DOS. Answer is true. The internet is a huge local area network. Is it locally used local area network? No, it is huge wide area network. So the answer is false. 9th one. The P2P model is faster than client server model. Yeah, the answer is true. Okay. Now we are going for question and answer. First write the page numbers alone. Then we'll go mark the answers. Okay. 4th one, page number 10. 5th one, page number 2. 6th one, 2. 7th one, 3. 8th one, 4. 9th one, 4, 5. 10th one, 5. 11th one, 6. 12th one, 15. Page number 15. Okay. 13th one it is answer. What is the function of operating system? Name to operating system that we will write. That is, here it is written something FB, PUBG and all. Just don't write that. We will write. That is not the answer. Okay. What is the function of operating system? Name to operating system. That I will say what to write. Okay. Okay. What are the advantage of Windows operating system over MS-DOS? 14th one question, page number is 11. 15th one page number is 11 only. Okay. 16th one is 17. 17th one is 8. 18th one is 12, 13. 19th one I will say. 20th one is page number 14. Okay. Okay. This 13th one don't mark anything, and 19th one you have not marked anything. These both things I will say. Okay. Okay. 19th one down it is written. 19th one we will write. So okay. Okay. For 13th one alone I will say what to do. Okay. Now we will go from fourth question. Okay. What is the function of CPU? What are its different parts? See, fourth question, first you write the function of CPU and then you should mark this diagram. So where you will write? See, write either in this side or here, else at the back of the exercise. If you find some space, you can write, but you should make a good contact with this diagram and that function. Okay. So if possible, write on the top of it. 1-2 line only. Okay. Function of CPU. CPU is considered as the brain of the computer. See this and write. Okay. So you will not make any spelling mistake. CPU is considered as the brain of the computer. CPU perform all types of data processing operation. It will process each and every data, every data. Okay. So CPU performs all type of data processing operations. Write these 2 points and then mark this diagram in page number 10. In page number 10 itself, better you write. If possible, write on the top. So the 2 points on this diagram are the answer for question number 4. Okay. 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 Now we'll go for question number 5. Question number 5. Why does a computer need a program? Page number 2. See the first line, processing the data. From here till the next line, program. From processing till the program. Okay. That is the answer for question number 5. Okay. Question number 6. Why does a computer need 2 kinds of memory? Page number 2. In page number 2, the answer is from the CPU. Third paragraph, from the CPU works. From there till next para, fourth para till the secondary memory. From third para, the CPU, to the next fourth para, second line, secondary memory. See this and mark. So you will not make any mistake. This is the answer for question number 6. Question number 7. Distinguish between RAM and ROM from the point of view of functions they perform. Page number 3. See, for RAM there are 2 points. Okay. First line, from RAM to the end of the line, storage memory, that is 1 point. Next, go to third line. In center you see RAM. From there to the next line, switched off. These are the 2 points for RAM. For ROM, 1 point. From ROM till 1, 2, 3, fourth line, the first IT, first word it, till that. These 3 points are the answer for question number 7. Okay. Okay. Now question number 8. The versatility and widespread use of computer owes a lot of its secondary memory. Discuss. The answer is in the page number 4. I think it is not so clear because the photo is blur. Okay. From under the heading secondary memory. From the term secondary memory to the next para. Okay, from under the secondary memory heading, from the term secondary memory to the next para. end at any time from here till here. This is the answer for question number 8. Okay. Question number 9. Compare the way data is stored and retrieved in magnetic disk and a CD-ROM. Page number 4, 5. Ninth one answer. See, ninth one, two answers. First answer is in the did you know. Inside that only it is there. Okay, that these points or these lines are the answer for question number 9.1. 9.2. Next page. Second paragraph from CD-ROM, second line from CD-ROM to the 1, 2, 3, fourth line and games. Okay, see this and mark. Okay, these are the answer for ninth question, point 1, and this is point 2. Okay, okay. 10th, what is binary coding? Why is binary coding used in computers? Page number 5. 10th question answer, page number 5. In page number 5, under the heading computer data, second paragraph, from the numeric data till 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth line, second word, the computer. These 4 lines are the answer for question number 10. Question number 11. How is a high level language different from machine language? Page number 6. See, there are 2 points here. First point is in the paragraph under the heading. Under the heading, the binary code and computer language. First, second paragraph. 1, 2, 3, third line. From this to the next line, computer. This is 11th question, point number 1. And in next paragraph. 1, 2, 3, third line from the language to the next line, high level language. This is 11th question, point number 2. Okay, these 2 points are the answer for question number 11. Question number 12. How do you mean by what do you mean by application software? List some application software you have used. Page number 15. This one. In this points to remember, in center you see, application software is designed to handle specific application. That's all. Okay. Example. MS Office. You should write nearby. You should write example and you write EX. MS Office. MS in capital. OFFICE in small. MS Office. Comma. PUBG you write. If you want, you write PUBG. Okay, that is also application only. It is an example for application software. PUBG. Okay, that you know that very well. Write PUBG. Okay, any 2 examples alone. Okay, don't write only games name. Write MS Office. If you want, you write PUBG. Else you write MS Excel. These 2 are example for application software. Question number 13. What is the function of operating system named to operating system? Here he have some written FG, FB, PUBG. No, this is wrong. Okay, this is for the above question. This is for the 12th question. But he have written down here. Okay, don't confuse with this. This is wrong. Okay, what is the question? What is the function of operating system named to operating system? I will say the page number. Okay. See in page number 15. See here. From down 1, 2, 3, 4. From down fourth point. From down to up fourth point. An operating system, the whole point. An operating system is a set of specialized program that is used to manage the resource and overall operation of a computer system. Till this system. From and till this system. This is the answer for question number 13. But you have to write here also. You should write example. Write EX. Write example nearby. Write EX. Then you write Windows. Windows is an operating system. Okay, Windows. WINDOS. Here you write Windows, comma. Are you clear? Windows, comma. MS-DOS. M in capital, S in capital, one small hyphen, DOS, everything in capital. M, S, one small hyphen, DOS, MS-DOS. Windows, comma, MS-DOS. Okay, okay, that's all. 14th question. What are the advantages of Windows operating system over MS-DOS? Page number 11. In page number 11, first, second, third, fourth, fifth para you see. In the MS-DOS, from there 1, 2, 3 to the end of the paragraph, known as commands, from in the till commands. This is the answer for question number 14. Okay. 15th question. Explain the following. First GUI, second multitasking. These two we have to explain. Page number 11. See, in page number 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7th paragraph. 7th and 8th paragraph. Okay, that is the answer. From 7th paragraph, Windows operating. From there, in 7th paragraph, from Windows operating. Okay, from there to the next para end, multitasking. From Windows till multitasking. See this unmarked, so you will not make any mistake. From Windows till multitasking. These are the answer for question number 15. Question number 16. What is a USB port? Question number 16. What is USB port? It is actually page number 7, Kana, not page number 17. He have written wrong. It is page number 7. For 16th question, the answer is in page number 7. Open page number 7. In page number 7, under the heading peripheral devices, first, second, third para. From USB port till 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth line, T till X, till C till here, etc. Okay. This is the answer for question number 16. Okay. Question number 17. Name two input devices that have helped to speed up the process of data input. Name two input devices that have helped to speed up the process of data input. Answer is in the page number 8. Answer is in page number 8. Okay. In page number 8, see, it is not so clear. Okay, you just mark in your book. From the scanner, from the first line, the scanner, till 1, 2, third paragraph, end, smartphone. From the scanner to the third paragraph, smartphone. These three paragraphs are the answer for question number 17. Okay. Now question number 18. What is a network? Explain the difference between different types of network systems. Page number 12, 13. In page number 12, under the heading networks, see the second para. In second para, in center you see connecting the computer. From there to the end of the paragraph, next line, to the last line end, LAN and WAN. That is question number 18, point number 1. Still you have. Then under local area network, first para, from when till small building. That is question number 18, point number 2. You have one more point. That is the next page. Under wide area network, WAN. First three lines, from networks till global network. Question number 18, point number 3. These 3 points are the answer for question number 18. Okay. Next, question number 19. The question number 19 you should write in the same page. Down you should write. For question number 19, the answer is answer down itself you should write. Okay. Either you can write down, else in here itself you can write. In the small space itself you can write. That is your wish. Okay. Question number 19. Answer. Sharing of information, sharing of resources. Okay, that is the answer. I'll say spelling. SHARING. Don't see here and confuse. I'll say the spelling. You see and write. SHARING, sharing, one space, of, one space, information, INFORMATION, Okay, that's all. If you have any doubt in the spelling, just move little front and see the correct spelling and write. Okay, next, sharing of resources. Sharing, 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 of resources, resources. Okay, students. Okay, next, last question, 20th question, last question. What is the meaning of the term protocol as used in a network? Page number 14. In page number 14, under this peer-to-peer model diagram, these three paragraphs, for any network from there till the end followed. These three paragraphs are the answer for question number 20. Okay. Few questions are big questions. You guys are grown up children. Now you guys are 8th standard children. So for sure you have to read and write. Okay, students. So, okay, that's all, students. Take care. Have a nice day. Bye.